KISD is a great place to work. It's a great place to live. It's a great community to be in.
It's a large district, but it doesn't feel large because of just the community of the educators. It's a really tight-knit group.
Being in the district for this long, I have interacted lots with powers that be, with the higher up in the administration. They're always willing to listen.
It's very good. You're going to see so many different types of people because we are such a transit community with Fort Hood coming in and out. You're going to see all kinds of different people.
I have made so many lifelong friends as a teacher.
There's something for everyone. I think every teacher has their niche, and once they find their niche, we have a campus for them.
The first thing that comes to mind is family. Family. I mean, we're going to take care of you here. We have some amazing personnel here that they've set aside everything to just make sure that they're included into this campus or into this school district, and that they're going to be okay. They're going to be in good hands here, and we're going to take care of them.